now we are going to understand the next steps is after this particular code you must display untyped details. First printf, I am going for /n right now, /n, roll number is %d, comma, where is the roll number? Here. Okay, next printf /n, what is this? /n marks obtained in maths, %d, comma, m1. Next printf /n marks obtained in electronics, %d, comma, m2. printf /n marks obtained in computer science, CS, %d, comma, m3, because m3 marks is going to be displayed here, m2 is displayed here, m1 is displayed here. Next I am going to display the total. Printf /n, every time new line must be displayed. Total equals to %d, comma, where is that? Total, and we will display the details. What is that? We are going to display what? Average, nothing but I am displaying here percentage equals to %f, comma, where is that? In average. Printf /n grade equals to %c, comma, grade. Okay, printf /n, and we displayed all the things now. Results got results processed. I written something, you written anything. Okay, so whatever results we get. So this is about results, and finally get ch and close our main method. So that is there in the previous video. Okay, so this is the thing. What I am providing here is, this is the thing. Okay.